What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back. So, Caliber Collision sent me one of their fleet vehicles that had a stolen catalytic converter. But these dudes had enough time to actually unbolt the whole front converter assembly up top, unbolt it, and then they sawzalled off the back section, leaving the rear converter. Well, there you go. Caliber Collision PA nv200. Isn't that some shit? These guys are having a field day out here. I've seen this done a few different ways. Cut here, cut here, cut here, cut here. And these guys are making some coin out here. So hopefully the scrapyard questions these jokers and says, oh wow, it says Caliber Collision on this catalytic converter. Did you guys buy this from Caliber Collision? No, because Caliber Collision does not sell catalytic converters. So let's see where this gets us.